How do massive creators like Alex Hormozi secretly make $10,000 a month on autopilot? I'll tell you a secret. It is not just from getting views. They use a hidden AI employee that works 24/7, answering comments and closing Stripe sales while they sleep. Today, I am going to expose their exact system and show you how to build this ManyChat automation for your own page in under 2 minutes. ManyChat is the exact automation software that massive creators use to turn views into passive income. Let me show you how to set this up. Ready? Go. Inside your ManyChat dashboard, we are going to create a new automation. The trigger is simple. Whenever someone comments a specific word on our reels, like the word stack, the AI takes over. We just type our keyword into the trigger box. Now, here is the secret most people miss. In the automated DM, we don't just send the free link. We add a PS to pitch any of your products or stores. This is how you make sales on autopilot before they even click your main link. If you want to know the exact software stack I use to run my entire automated business, I built a free tech stack generator. Click the link in the description below, answer a few quick questions, and it will give you a custom list of the best tools to use. Click the link below, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.